Google Chrome extensions are amazing. They add functionality to the Google Chrome browser. In fact, with the Chat GPT, there are some amazing Chrome extensions that can speed up your workflow 10x, 20x, even 50x. The problem is these extensions have got malware that will hijack your computer and do nasty things. I just came across one incident where my YouTube was being used for watching videos that I don't watch. I went to the history and saw that a lot of videos that were not watched by me were actually watched using my YouTube account, and I do not use this account anywhere else. Neither I have signed up on any other device, so it was really confusing. But I was able to find the culprit, and the culprit was a Chrome extension. This got infected and was actually hijacking my YouTube using my account to view these videos, and it only worked while my computer was turned on and I was actively working inside Google Chrome browser. When I turned it off, there was no activity on YouTube. So I was pretty sure this is something to do with my Google Chrome. So I installed this Google Chrome extension called Guardio Protection for Google Chrome. It will scan your Google Chrome. It will go through the entire history of Google Chrome browser, all the sites that you have visited, and will tell you which sites have been compromised in the past with a potential data breach. And in the other section, it will also tell you a list of Google Chrome extensions that is potentially harmful to your Google Chrome browser. And it was able to find this Chrome extension PIP mode, which I was using from last several years, but it recently got infected. And the bad part is, once a Google Chrome extension is infected, and even if it is removed from the Chrome Web Store, it will still be in your machine. So you will have to manually uninstall it. And unfortunately, I did not see any type of notification from Google itself. Maybe this Google Chrome extension started behaving weirdly just a day or two ago, and it is still not under the radar of Google Chrome, which is very concerning because you can lose your account within that time frame. Thankfully, this Chrome extension was only using my YouTube for viewing other videos. Maybe it's a part of our database where people make payments for getting fake views and hijack other people's YouTube account and give them the views they want. But in worst cases, it can also hijack my YouTube session, maybe hack my account also. It can also access my Facebook account and get a hold of it, like other people's pages and posts and whatnot. And a browser is a place where you do all your internet activity. And if it is compromised, then it is very concerning because it will have access to your email, your banking information also. So you need to secure your Google Chrome browser by installing this Guardio Protection for Chrome extension. At least it will notify you of the potential threat before Google comes to know. Make sure you do not randomly install any Google Chrome extension that you come across. Only install the verified ones, and also do not trust them blindly. Always make a habit of checking what's going on. I have written a detailed article about this entire thing and how you can secure your Google Chrome browser and other internet activities. Link will be in the description of this video. You can check that out and subscribe for more videos like this and making your tech life easy. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.